how to add a voiceover in Canva. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you how you can do it, so let's get started. For that, first thing you can do is go ahead and access your Canva application or even the browser. After that, basically go ahead and locate up the project in which you would like to add up a voiceover. For example, I would like to open this project right here. And then once you open it up, you should be finding different editing options in the below. So go ahead and look out for the option of uploads from the options given, tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you should be finding images, videos, and audio tab. Look for the audio tab, tap on it, and look out for this record your shelf option on your screen. Go ahead and tap on that option and start. And then a setting appears. Now from the settings, you may turn off your camera if you just want to record your video and select default microphone or the microphone that you're using. After that, you can directly find a record button on your screen. Look out for this record button for each slide. So you can just tap on it and it will start the timer. So just wait for it and you can go ahead and record. After that is done, tap on done, and the next slide you can go ahead and follow the same process and record yourself. And that is it. You may also follow the same process if you want to do a voiceover in Canva. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.